Alrighty, welcome to the channel. We are going to do a quick weekly outlook for September 25th through September 29th, 2023. We've got some news coming up this week on Monday for the Euro, Tuesday at 10 a.m. for the US dollar, and then 9:30 for AUD, and a little bit more on Thursday for the Euro again and USD. So it'll be an interesting week. Usually we have a lot more red folders. So I'm just going to go over a few pairs that I'm watching that I actually trade, and let's see what we got coming up for the week. So first, I like CAD JPY because on days that I work actually during the day, it makes a lot of moves. So in the evening when I'm actually home, so I can catch some pips, make some profit while I'm chilling doing my stuff for the evening. So this past week we kind of spent ranging here. I'm waiting to see if we will break out of this little continuation pattern, break above this high at 110.34, or if we will break below. So didn't see much news for this week. So we will see if this can break above this or below this point of resistance here or support, and we'll see how this goes. I'm looking forward to push up me myself. So we are kind of at a nice little place. It might not push up, but let's go on to the next pair. Let me save this, and I use this other gold. Gold acted really funky on Friday, so want to see what happens with it. And let me stretch this out here. So we've got a lot of spots of imbalance on gold. So we've got some potential for some nice moves coming up this week. It was really ugly on Friday. Of course, most pairs are on Fridays. So I'm thinking if we can break out of this little pattern of continuation, we might get a nice push to the downside. So once we open later on this evening, I'll be looking to see what actually happens with this tonight going into tomorrow. If we can get back down to this area of support here. And then we will see what happens after that with gold. We are kind of in a bearish pattern right now. I'll be curious to see how this opens in the next few hours when the markets open back up. And then I had GBP, JPY. I got some nice moves on this last week, and most everything is kind of just ranging right now. But we had a nice push to the downside, so I would like to see this do one more retracement and then come and break this current area of supply or demand. Supply, I mean. We have another structure right below that, so we'll see when the markets open what we will get here, but I would like to see a nice strong push to the downside, and we didn't have any news on this either, so I'll be curious to see what happens with this. And I'm going to do one more pair. Actually, I trade SPX 500, so I'm in a couple of groups that call a lot of indices, and because I teach traders that really don't are new to trading, I don't do NAS at 100 and US 30, especially not US 30. She doesn't like me. So we are currently in a bearish pattern. Got a nice push down over this past week after we opened up with some ranging. So I'd like to see a nice push to the downside to this area of support right here. That would give us a nice 100 points or almost 1,000 pips. So I'll be waiting for this move to happen, seeing as we are in a bearish market for this right now. And that basically kind of concludes what I'm going to be watching this week. If you are interested in learning Forex or you have some questions, I'll be putting more info out on this channel. I have my Forex courses actually on this channel. It's just unlisted. So I kind of have had this channel sitting here dormant, and I'm ready to get back into Forex as I prepare to come back home full time. So if you're interested in learning Forex, I will put the link down below and you can check things out and see if it's something that you're interested in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified of the next latest and greatest video. Catch you again soon. God bless.